Drilling is a crucial step in PCB manufacturing, mainly used to achieve electrical connections between circuit board layers and install plug-in components. In addition, there are also some non-electroplated holes for the mechanical fixation or installation of finished products. First, check whether the work-hard process, model, quantity, and board are consistent. Retrieve the drilling file and check whether the parameters such as the material number, process, tool diameter, and number of holes are consistent. Select the corresponding parameters based on the sheet material, copper thickness, and tool type. Then drill positioning holes into it. The positioning holes are used to ensure the accurate alignment of the PCB during the production and testing processes. After that, drive in the pins, place the sample on the work table of the high-speed drilling rig, and test the hole position and diameter. After the drilling is completed, it is necessary to check the hole positions and diameters of the first sample to ensure that there are no excesses, omissions, or offsets. The X-ray machine confirms whether the first piece needs to adjust the coefficient. Only after confirming that it is qualified can the subsequent processes proceed. Before drilling, the backing plate, base plate, and aluminum sheet should be placed on the work table of the high-speed drilling rig from bottom to top in sequence to facilitate precise processing. The pad is used to prevent the drill bit from damaging the surface of the working machine and to avoid burrs on the PCB board. Aluminum sheets are used to prevent the drill tip from shifting and improve the drilling accuracy, while also avoiding burrs and scratches on the PCB board. After the final confirmation is correct, drilling begins. Mechanical drilling is the most commonly used method, through the cutting of a high-speed rotating drill bit. Various hole types, such as PTH, NPTH, and through holes can be processed. We strictly control the feed speed and rotational speed of the drill nozzle to avoid problems such as broken drills, damage to the base plate, and the whole wall. Meanwhile, the system will automatically track the service life of each drill bit, replace them in a timely manner, and grind and reuse the old drill bits to ensure stable and reliable drilling quality. Thank you for watching. That's all for this episode of the drilling process. Stay tuned for the next production process. Copper plate.